Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of massage therapy with the COOBST Cupping Kit, a professional-grade set designed to elevate your wellness routine. Unlike other massage cups on the market, COOBST uses high-quality polycarbonate material, ensuring durability and safety with shock-proof and heat-resistant cups that can even be sterilized with boiling water. The standout feature is the Genius electric pump, eliminating the need for dangerous fire methods or manual pressure, offering a simple one-button operation for effective suction therapy. This innovative device, with its built-in Li battery and USB connector, provides up to 60 minutes of use on a full charge, making it perfect for enhancing blood flow, reducing inflammation, and promoting lymphatic drainage. Whether you're a professional therapist or a home self-care enthusiast, this kit is designed for everyone, transforming your space into a personal spa. The set includes 8 high-temp and high-pressure resistant vacuum suction cups in various sizes, an electric pump gun, and an optional extension tube, all backed by a lifetime warranty on accessories. Experience the rejuvenating benefits of ancient Chinese cupping therapy with COOBST and elevate your health and wellness journey today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.